Enchano bridge kese ebo for Ghana montene so Kumasi to Accra road no accident kese esi ma nipa ewu ye no enye nipa kuma na that is see ye no na Jantuah abeke kana adwen access the president John Mahama NDC government after say accident we see 24 hours abetwam office of the presidency and for Accra bia ma bontene say omumedi nkomo bia for accident ne ho eno ana ashara Jantuah bufu na be kana adwene I Penyah block me the mess was any demo. Over like a video not my subscribe button, some click verification account of latest update. Time to the wide that my comment section. Obaswa. You know, for any back and make and fund all bodies and up in the amount or USA or UK. Open Sky Edicofia. Ayanala. And I told this no be a edison is a coffee. For pro code Penyah TV Seniska. No about 20 amazing that. But that's any other African country be as in Ghana. Any other African country be also a very fast transactions. Let's go to the story. In general, no news be breaking out Ghana had ni nyina fa accident kese bia cause so Kumasi to Accra highway road N6 from Osino Saba besin kokko it honomo your friend baby apeja no in the Ebuakwa municipality in the eastern region baby river brim ebefa no etna ya bridge bi amano aya to the brim so bridge now that brim so bridge honomo na enra accident kese bi STC bus ni bi any tanker car and a class here and then after a class here no cars ya na e dia kire ni nyina ne de e pia cars ni nyina kogu amena mu ema eja eto mu
Nama voice is it? Wow, serious accidents. Accra Kumasi Road. Wow. Serious accident. Accra Kumasi Road. Tanka nese.
Ema enu ane de na eye arehosem pa kese na enye adekuma ema enipa ne bia omo survive ye no we any early report wa omo edibai
ye nipa 31
nti 31 so far ye na yibia na e bia survive
ya yetimi nya kwan ana omo ti anim a omo ti mi pie se bia memmoa bia be se nipa be 10 ene ti mi pie ye
o ma kanyina
hye
omo kire se papa kire se omo ana omo mo no 31 ene o bass ni mu but omo timi ebe omodene ya ahoahare so epie free bass ni mu ntem no eye nipa be 10 there's a calculation nipa be 21 there anomo STC bass mu there omo nyina off but other vehicles no there na se no ho asem kora enyamba na se abe asem kese amanu there Ghana no bridge kese pa ene ball or my konkon Ghana married for the statement eba bontana omo mourning with the families of the deceased. Now you know say that Kumasi to Accra road enkoko to Osino etwamako that road no hono no there be a make catch say me video bia ka say hono a death trap in a way say ho kwan ne nye kwan fian chen kwan ne nye easy say accident ebetima happen hono mo who there be amonam that kwan say mu dem make easy for accident to happen. Because of that, in India, na kufu adu neba omiamo, omo ya bypass, edi atu achire, so that and kebet ma escape that road no, ye bypass na, kebet ma escape nka pressure ni be free ho, anka that bypass ni be main transportation route from Konongo straight to Osino. What I say from Konongo straight to Osino, be fair fichire sa, but ya told this government, Iranian, omo ntwaso, omo jai bypass no. And also say omukoye expressway, just an express road. And my budget reading in 2026 no, and omu media budget kwa no. Omo capture bypass ni ewomo. Omu express road nko no mka wanse. Eva no kwa na Jantuah ebe fire I say adenti na moye sa. Ko ekwan ni obi da hodada. De mo pese mo so be ya ebete traffic on Kumasi to Accra road no so no obi a din kan start bypass da ho a ya din kan ye kwan ne bebrebe dia kan say o connecting nyina keke but mo jaa no ana mo so mo koyi mo kwan fra to forest mu de a waste of money it's not to Accra fire na say na keke kan yai no ebusi that area na that stretch na road N6 stretch na so na accident enra de no e happen e ba ye no minority for the statement about one but ohe media no say bia ewom his excellency we tell kakra okọ Jamaica wakọ one back on a trip bi ekọ Jamaica but our the communicators e Ghana ha say your office of the presidency enipa ho mu ya adwuma first office ko John Mahama customer for oh enipa ho your communications ministers e Ghana ha just say your presidential aides omu nyina Ghana ha do mu ha 24 hours atwam office of the president issue statement bia 24 hours atwam office of the president issue any communique regarding this issue eno ana national Jantuah bufo na busu ensem obeka kire Mahama ne de esewadi eni se ka kire
hwe rade nchichire makoma oman no ho the politics ayeye no ye be wu na politics ekuye nyina politics ebe kuye eno me koka na menya asem no aban ne mpenukre aban empenukre aban bia ba ompenukre aban bia ba one Nana Jantuah nya asem why because Nana Jantuah empene so ma wonya de ope maka kire mo se munim nipa na muni ni deal no NDC mpanyufo muntie enye munyina ma meka kire mo a mo hyehyɛ nneoma ase epese mo kana Nana Jantuah no enye yi munyai emfa I'm telling you emfa emfa NDC mfo na mo hyehyɛ ase ye bema munti MPP antimi ankrepo mo enye mo na metimi akrepo me metran kran ni mu tete nkran ni me ne NDC fo na ekasa medikan ka menye adwuma ma NDC o menye NDC ni me som Ghana enti na no meka me pese odi post bi to o ma me wo me fie dada me nhire FM me pese utie nyoma bi a meka ye fa to so ma me na nkofo nkenkan ansa na maka de wo se meka o man na enye politicians dia mutrimo den dodo munni atenka nipa wu a yemo fe nipa wu a yemo fe mumu bi se moja no platform a yemo fe kofi kinkan mami me pese me ka bibi kire nkofo
okay
be se nkofo tin nyoma bi ase ene me ni NDC fo ni bi na ekasa because de mu ye nyina mehu me ka che NDC fo no de mu ye ni nyina mehu but the mpanyufo bi nso a omuye badwemba e wo NDC mu a omu ne makasa enti na memia ma no because say me go all out against NDC you cannot survive. I'm saying it. Say na no me ka bi kire MPP for no mu di agro eduru baby MPP for share say omu ye nyoma bi me ka kire omu say mu ye na ye call all out ye be mama lusu oh ya hwan MPP for we ya hwan dia na atimi ye otete hunye obia ye be breaki 8 na mo ani awu me say me ka kire NDC for no mu hwe yi mo am plot planning because Nana Jantuah shall say criticize NDC no munni me papa no kura ne ye ba akopɛ untimi nkame nhye ye mu bi yensuro ayidie o yensuro ayidie ye misuro na ahemfie nso me nkɔ ba bia ana emesre me tifri nkrofo bi na emesre ntima ye nka wo asem because wa ban na aba because wa ban chen obi me bu send this for na mo ne nam na ye bɔ mo chi a mo complain no 8 years me tata MPP for saa wo krom ha nkofo MPP for ni bi kra protest o munya me krom mekume 8 years munti ba bi wo hokra enam ntimi nkɔ menya otan a obi time me saa for nothing because according to him me NDC ni munti because I was working for Ghana. Munti. Minya time. Go for that so time because to them, me na mama uma buy and wini. Mo NDC for na minimo kasa. Mo NDC for na minimo kasa. Or time. And then all of a sudden, some of you feel offended because Nana Jantuah ye nejuma. Munim me papa. Nam ka se ne ye to aba for research ne se ye ba na ma be ye de mo pe ne ye mia ya no. Munim me. Me ye adwuma ma Nyankopɔn me ta mo so a na me kɔ. Tina na me ka me say me ta mo so wa ahemfi a se Dr. Kraso obema me 100 billion na e wo se me kɔ a me kɔ. Me pa chow abanya ka bibia fa accident no ho ana. Ti momboa me. Nipa 21 ahye. Ti mompema me. Aban aka bibi president mompema me. Felix Kwachi Ofosu, spokesperson for President John Mahama. Mi busa wo say ena no pay from enra ade ni see ye no. Matro bibi from presidency. Say nipa 21 ahye ana mi busa. Minister for Transport. Minister for Roads and Highways. Mi ankasa me nua Penyah Abuja. Obo adwuma pa. Mi busa. Maka bibia fa ho. Parliament House. MPP ni NDC mpanyifo. Nipa 21 ahye. Maka bibia fa ho ana. Bepem ne apart from police for wo mo de communication ba yese say ama traffic abano. Penyi bie ni ho a mo de mo correct me from time enre see ye mi busa say presidency aka bibia for nipa 21 ahye and I want it yenti the driver neka 21 ahye o 21 ahye
yetimi nya kwan ana omo ti anim a omo ti mi pie se bia memwa bia be se nipa be 10 ene ti mi pie ye omo aka nyina ahye 31.
There are a lot of people, they still lack basic understanding of what I'm talking about. Me say, expressway, it will take 3 to 5 years. And Sunway expressway. Ye kase bibi ye completed that. And you completed, ne say, ode asphalt egu kwansu. Muntie. Ye kase completed that. And you completed, ne say, ode asphalt nkwa egu kwansu. Ye kase kwan ye completed that. A completed road. Maybe my memoir, a completed road. You can say a road is completed. While crab me the AI Google say you can say a completed road. Sign a beye. Economics better say ceteris paribus, all things being equal. But I say a crime wo ya na so ye construction weather. Eka ho. 2 asase awo ya de no woso no eka ho enu ntina ye wo soil engineers okotama nwia no na wo de akọ lab no akọ check ehu say aha emosia wo ha aha eye lomi aha eye clay enti baabi wo ho a eye botan ekwan ye fa so ye botan enuoma ye different from ekwan ye fa so ye baabi a afro wo ni nyina enye easy. Now, no, 2 weeks ago, and I make as a president. Yeah, one analysis catch there will say. Time abe expressway nani pewu. Ye kanwa. Presido. Papa. Yeah, nation builder. Now no make I say. Time abe expressway no nani pewu. Enti pape. Ofo to some for say. What the 1.7 billion akwakoto futuo bim aloke no yate se bypass no se we mu $300 million a ubetimi awie bypass yi because in hwehwemu akere se ekwan no eye double accident no so te se driver so obeko speed mpo a accident no eso te eye basic eye common sense. Obia wo free adwoso eba wo de so oduru adwoso eba ana obi okonkran a ofa nkokọ bypass no busa say accident sen and a recording as against just one lane na baako ko na baako ba no. Mo ye kan sema first of all me engineer me civil works. Inti se me kan sem na I'm not talking because I'm a journalist. I'm talking because me sua ho ade. Wo ebia unnim ekwan ho nimdie bia. Unnim enyoma ebetimi aboa construction bibia. Inti me kasa te se nsɛmtwoni keke. Me kasa te se obi a me call KNUST ekosua building technology for 4 years. Ena me kase expressway no ye nyina ye foaso. Inti yewura John Mahama papa. Men twɛn se wo ye expressway a ebedi be 3 to 5 years ansa. Expressway se uwie a sa time no you can say bypass no wie a sa time no na wo di free in crime ebe Kumasi no eso bete because first no the standard that now they be concrete no 4 hours. See a bypass na the same bypass no see a we are ubetimi de 3 hours free in crime abe Kumasi or less. First no kra na kwan ye kakra na me concrete eko school koye nyoma no eto de bia metimi de 2 hours and 30 minutes free Kumasi edun crime. Sabre no I was able to do that. Na ekwan no ntutu sa no. Obi a wafa enkran kwaso right now nim say ekwan no abobo ti say inkuto. Obi a wafa enkran kwan no so no enim say ekwan no ebobo atete aye basa enti eduru ba bia ti say wofa ekwan ne nkyɛn ena me srɛ sɛ yewura John Mahama de opese wo ye no eye expressway no ye a ebeboaye. Nanso enye na asem project ni 4 billion. Project ni 4 billion. $4 billion na fin wenyam 1.7 billion. Nano Ghana Engineers Association kra kire say sika ni bi wo ho a ka wo yi na wo de finish saa ekwan ni bi wo ho kra na sabi kaya ho beto yen because ye kwan ni bi wo ho a na Akufo-Addo ye ya wa odwi su wie no wanya sika antoa so enti saa sika na wanya no menyi ni se Ghana ni bia bubefu se oso be expressway but what you say ebia legbosomtwe ebia santase to anwea kwanta ebia kwan bi wo ho a na Akufo-Addo dwi su a wanya sika anye no wa ba be wie obi a wo wie a wo udin beto so obi no benya problem.
Ubeto achire wa adwene e dia mame e comment section. Ayi Penyah Media.